My name is Meghashyam. I am dealing science subject for 6th class in DAV SVVN, Tondapadu. Today I am going to discuss about Unit 1, Our Food. Let you think and answer my questions. Everybody have their own favorite foods. Now I want to make a note of it. The answers for the questions. What is your favorite food item or items? Some of you may contain more than one favorite food item. How much do you eat your favorite food item? Do you know how to prepare that? Yes, these three questions are basics of this chapter, this unit 1. You need to know what are the materials required to prepare the food item. Name the following. Let us check what are the regular food items that we consume every day. They are idli, dosa, meals, samosa, vada, etc. So why we are looking at this and these items are, many of us eat generally thrice a day, 3 times a day. First one, morning breakfast, as tiffin means idli, dosa, like that they are taken as breakfast, and afternoon rice item as meal, and in the night rice item again as dinner. Some of you included the snack item at 4 o'clock in the evening also. So finally what we want to know is how to prepare them and how healthy they are. How much content do you take? That is the motto. Yes. Let us know about the things needed to prepare food items, different food items. For activity 3, we have 3 food items given in the textbook. They are payasam, chicken curry, palli karam. Let us explore the required ingredients. The required materials in scientific terminology, they are called as required ingredients. Let us check for semia, sugar, water, dry fruits, and etc. There are so many, but main things we are discussed here. Chicken curry, chicken, chilli, onion, oil, garlic paste, and water. For snack item palli karam, we require groundnuts, salt, masala karam, etc. These are the required ingredient for some of the food items that we consume. Now, did you ever observe this one? It is the wrapper of the Snickers Bite chocolate. So we are always looking towards the front side of the cover. When you turn back the cover, you will find nutrition facts table which is in white color always. Find a white color page or white color area where it is written nutrition facts. Okay. So if you observe the nutrient facts of this packet, we have total fatty matter, total carb. Carb means carbohydrates, cholesterol means cholesterol, and proteins, sodium. Sodium is come under minerals, and vitamin A, vitamin C. Okay. Let us examine the one more nutrition facts of Lay's. They also total fat, cholesterol, sodium and potassium will come under minerals, and carbohydrates, proteins. So in these we get common main contents. If you go on observing any packets, finally you will find that some of them are common in everything, all the food materials. They are called main components or main contents of the food items. There are mainly 5 food items. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fibers, and vitamins and minerals. These are the main 5 content of the food material. Now, where do we get food? Means who gives us food? Let us check. Let us examine some of the common food items that we are using in our homes regularly. So we have ingredient list here: cooking oil, honey, turmeric powder, chips and salts, etc. And let us go with from where they get. Means mainly the source of food materials are divided into 3 types. Either they are from source may be a plant, or source may be animal, or any other sources. And let us give 1 or 2 examples of that source. First one, cooking oil. Cooking oil came from plant. Okay, na? Example, sunflower, groundnut, palm. Okay, these are the examples from where the cooking oil is taken from. Now, second one is honey. Honey is given by animals, so they are called honey bees. Chips. Chips, they are taken from plants. Okay, now we have so many chips available in the market: banana chips, potato chips, there are so many. Generally, potato chips are very famous, hence the name of the plant is potato, is the example for that. Turmeric powder, yes, it is also a plant product, and the name of the plant is turmeric plant. Salt, yes, this is other source. Salt was not derived from the plant, not derived from the animal, but it is derived from some other source. The source is sea water. Salt water from the seas and oceans. When you get dried, we will get salt. Let us go with some more examples. Dough. Dough is used to make chapatis, puris, etc. So, that is a product of plant. Example, wheat. And meat, they are coming from animal, and we know example is goat, hen. There are so many animals taking part. Rice, yes, it is a plant product, name is paddy. Eggs, they are given by animal, which are hen. Sugar, they are rice. Eggs are taken from animals, example hen. Next, sugar is a plant product, name of the plant is sugar cane. Peanuts, yes, it is also a plant product, and groundnut. So, I hope you understand the food components, main components, and nutrition facts, and where do we get food. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.